Hi everyone, welcome to another quick session. In this session, we will try our next question, question number 24. During a recent natural disaster, the primary location for your organization was destroyed. To bring the alternate site online, you restored the most critical system first. Now, a new primary site is complete, and you need to ensure that the site is brought online in orderly fashion. What should you do first? So I would suggest pause the video, go through this question, check all these possible options, and try to pick the appropriate option. So option A, restore the most critical function to the new primary site, restore all independent function to the new primary site, restore all independent functions to uh, sorry, interdependent, not in, restore all interdependent functions to the new primary site, restore the least critical functions to the new primary site. So here the correct answer is option D, restore the least critical functions to the new primary site. Um, because this gives IT teams time to validate the environment before migrating the most critical system. If something fails, the business impact is minimal. So if we now check all other three options why they are incorrect, restore the most critical functions to the new primary site. Incorrect, you don't start with the most critical system at a new site that hasn't been fully tested, right? If something goes wrong during the transition, you risk impacting core business operation. These systems should be moved last once the new site proves stable. Option B, restore all independent functions to the new primary site. Incorrect, because while independent functions might be easier to move, some of them could still be mission critical, so you must follow a priority order based on criticality, not just system dependency. Option C, restore all interdependent functions to the new primary site. Incorrect. Interdependent functions are typically complex and critical. Restoring them early can lead to greater risk if the new site fails, as these systems often rely on each other to function properly. So the important thing is we need to make sure that we first migrate the least critical functions or system, so this way we could test the stability. So that's it about this question. Thank you so much for watching this session. If you have any feedback, please share in the comment section.